Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a link in bio on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, you're gonna go ahead, open up your TikTok app. Let's say you go through a video and they specifically mention that, oh, this video and the product and the link will be in the bio. Then what you have to do to access the bio is you have to simply go to the person's profile. For example, if I go to this person's profile, and if there is any link that they have mentioned or I'm supposed to find any link, then the link will simply be over here listed. So all you have to do is simply go to this section. This is their bio, and when there is a clickable link, all you have to do is tap on it and you're good to go. Now furthermore is that when you go back, you will also be able to go to your profile, and when you say this area is your bio area, so when you find a video which mentions that you can find a link on their bio, all you have to do is go to their profile, and this area you will find the link. Go ahead, tap on it if you prefer it, purchase the item or whatever it may lead, but that's how you can find the link whatsoever. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.